Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Margaret Oshek, and like you can see from the title of the video, today I'll be doing a nighttime skincare routine. And guys, I want to thank you so much for helping me hit the 300 subscribers, and now I am moving on to the next day. That is road to 500 subscribers. And also I have another apology to make. I know it's been like a longer minute because I've not been posting. I've been doing a lot of, my god, I've been doing a lot of work on myself. And soon I'm going to be launching a new YouTube channel. I'm not leaving this one, but I'll be having two YouTube channels. The other one is going to basically focus on career, and this one is going to focus on fun, beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs and every other thing. Anyways, let's kick on to the video. My first product is going to be this toner. Oh, first of all, I'm using Dr. Rachel's kit, and the first product I'll put on my face is this face toner. So I go in with 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. I spread it in my face. And guys, I'm going to be doing a complimentary video after this video to tell you the benefits of each product and each step. You can bring it onto your neck like that. So after the toner, the next product I'm going to use is the face serum. Again, the vitamin C face serum. And this one also I'll use 3 drops like that, and like that. Again, I tap it in my skin to make sure that it is getting absorbed properly, like that. And you're loving it already. So the last product I'll be using is the face cream. This is the juice of it. This one makes you glow. You again do the necessary, that is, pat it in your face and ensure that it is getting nicely absorbed in your skin and in your face and in your neck, like that. So like you can see clearly, we are having a glowy skin for the night. And yeah, after that I go in with Vaseline, of course, this Vaseline in Aisha. I'll go in with Vaseline for my sexy lips. Oh god, sexiest lips. So I'm going to put on my bonnet because we are about to get in bed. Last but not least, this is a very important step. Do not forget to do this step. This is a bonus. Take it to the bank. Drink water. Hydrate. Hydrate and hydrate and hydrate again and again. If you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also like the video and comment and bye.